All right, so back out on the XJ. Got the Supreme suspension, shackle lift and coil spring spacers. I've got 3-inch for the front, then the 2-inch in the rear. Gonna get those installed. Kit's awesome. Got here super quick. I'm actually gonna do this as a 3-part video. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna start with the transfer case drop kit. Pretty simple, good high quality metal spacers with new screws. So we're going to start on that and see how she turns out. Okay, so what we've done, taken a floor jack, put a piece of wood here, support the transfer cross member. You want to keep pressure on that. What you're going to have is, this is the passenger side front, which is a nut. A bolt. Passenger rear is going to be a nut. So what you'll have to do is, once you take this nut off, you can create a jam nut to back the stud out. I'll show you that once we get to that. So you just got 4 bolts, and they recommend starting on the driver's side first for whatever reason. So we'll do that and see how she goes. So here's what I did with the jam nut. Took the 2 15s. Nuts, one from each side. You thread one up, put enough thread on the bottom to get this bottom one on here, and then what you want to do is turn this one to the left, just like you're backing it out, and what it will do is thread the stud back out of the unibody. All right, so the T-case drop kit is in. Had just a little bit of an issue with trying to get the stud out. Ended up having to cut it, drill it. It's a whole process I'm not going to get into. So there's a lot of custom involved. But you can see, dropped it down a full inch on both sides. The reason you want to do this is so you don't have too high of an angle on your drive shaft for when you have a lift kit. It's cheaper than putting in a slip yoke eliminator. I've already got a little lift on this Jeep now. But I'm going to put some coil spring spacers and shackle lifts in the rear. So I wanted to go ahead and do the T-case drop. Just go ahead and get that squared away. And we'll post the rest of those videos as we get those completed.